Wagwan, no funnies about you guys. So for today's video, we have POPCAAN X. She goes by Kahila. She released recording, which she alleges is of POPCAAN. I think what is getting her even more upset is going live and reading the comments. So I think she should take a break. However, onto the video.
I really make me waste my time, waste my gas, drive from up at the hills, come down a flat, and me really, hello, no, my love, no, don't do that. Don't do that.
Thank you and same to you.
I don't have to say thank you.
They're supposed to say thank you and same to you.
I don't have to say thank you. As a matter of fact, I don't even know why I even texting my phone.
Because of that credit. I bought those credit, you know. It wasn't borrowed from digital.
What the fuck? Like, who the fuck you think it is?
I'm the 876 guard. You should do your research.
What the fuck? Like, who the fuck you think it is?
I'm the 876 guard. You should do your research. It wasn't borrowed from digital.
What the fuck? Like, who the fuck you think it is?
I'm the 876 guard. You should do your research. I bought those credit, you know. It wasn't.
A matter of fact, I don't even know why I even texting my phone.
Because of that credit. I
don't even know why I even texting my phone.
Because of that credit. I bought those.
I don't have to say thank you. As a matter of fact, I can record him because I know he's a stalker, and I wanted to record him because I want him to leave me the fuck alone. That is it. I never did plan for come. But I see one time I sit down and look at how the man treat me and the things that the man do to me. I say, you know, so the man you're not going to stop? Yeah. Yes. Now come tell me, say man not stop me. What you mean you buy credit for your phone? Me you're not friend. Me you not chat. You disrespect me. You bring me down. Leave me alone, pussy hole. Leave me alone. Let me have peace in my blood clot life. And that's right there. The fuck you not come talk about. See all my cookie bun up here. Blood clot, Jesus Christ, my cookie a burn up, Jaja, oh God, Jaja, oh God, oh God. My bumbo clot, you whole like cookie burn up, grass clot. How will you? Come and tell me a liar. So you man a stalker. This not sound like stalker to no full-blown blood clot stalker this. It burn up but me still a yummy. Cookie I get yam tonight. Like the other dirty cookie, you know, that zinc fence cookie. These are the only cookie where me want yam. Cookie, me love you. Me a yam you tonight. Me mad because of Tony, but he ma call down my phone and he ma text down my phone when time he's with Tony. I will look like idiot. I never text him. I block him. Block him. Now when time man Tony there, I'm not give him a pussy. Girl go suck your mother and move from this so. I'm very ask for me so. And I bet your favorite is a stalker. I can't wait till somebody make one song and done him about it. Never called nobody name. I only come on the page I come talk about woman because one thing about Jamaican woman, I go always bad mind woman over man. I'm not say kill girl over man. Or be a girl over man. Bad mind woman over man, me and is not the same thing because me I look good girl and I can't fuck any man when I want to fuck. That me I tell you.
To you.
I don't have.
They're supposed to say thank you and same to you.
I don't have to say thank you. As a matter of fact, I don't even know why even texting my phone.
Because of that credit.
I don't even know why even texting my phone. I'm obsessed. Yeah, I'm obsessed.
Because of that credit.
Even texting my phone.
Because of that credit. I bought those credit, you know. Because of that credit. I bought those credit, you know. It wasn't because of that credit. I bought those credit, you know. It wasn't borrowed from digital.
What the fuck? Like, who the fuck you think you is? Bad bitch.
I'm the 876 God. You should do your research.
I'm not doing no research.
Google could tell you.
I'm not doing no research. You know why I'm not doing no research? Because in my book, you're a fucking... What? Somebody want me talk to every day.
I know.
I don't Somebody want me talk to every day. But you're not stupid. Somebody want me talk to so much about anything at all every day. When I go come and tell me, say me need to pay something, I say no delusional. This is somebody will sit down over there in my house. Come here and burn him weed and sit down by my sofa over there. So come here and put food by my fridge. What I talk about? You know, dumb? In my book, you're a fucking drunker, and I don't want you to text my phone, okay?
What?
Have a happy new year. My say is a fucking drunk.
Google could tell you.
I'm not doing no research. You know why I'm not doing no research? Because I'm not doing no research.
Google could tell you.
I'm not doing no...
I'm the 876
I don't have to do all of that.
You should do your research.
I'm not doing no research.
Google could tell you.
I'm not doing no research. You know why I'm not doing no research? Because in my book, you're a fucking... What?
It is stage.
I don't need to know anything at all. In my book, you're a fucking drunker, and I don't want you to text my phone, okay?
What?
Have a happy new year. My say is a fucking drunk. You hang up the phone. What's it all say? Me I tell lie. Me I tell lie. I'm telling lie. I'm telling lie.
Look, babe, the bank literally there.
Whose voice is that? What I talk about? What the fuck wanna really come with? Don't have sense or what? What I talk about? What really I talk about? Am I fucking delusional or something? Are you guys delusional? Are you guys fucking delusional or what?
Yes, that is it, baby. So you gotta go straight up the lane and drive till you see one stop sign. First stop sign is you gotta take left.
I'm very delusional.
I'm gonna tell you where for me. Babe, when I collect the weed them, I'm gonna drive out. I'm gonna tell you where for me. I'm gonna drive and meet you somewhere, and then we'll go to place.
Where the fuck on that man?
Babe, one more.
Yes, I'm gonna get called babe because I'm babe for real. So don't come and go and like say no and come water down my blood clot thing. Don't do that. The fuck?
Babe, one more collect the weed them. I'm gonna drive out. I'm gonna tell you where for meet me. I'm gonna drive and meet you somewhere, and then we'll go to place. May I wait on the address?
I'm not gonna read that top board. You know, really weird. Very delusional. Very, very delusional people. Weirdos. Very weirdos. Pretty much of a weirdo. Y'all people weird. You people are weird. Telling me that I'm delusional and telling me that I this and I that and 1Empo something. One weird. Understand? That's for another story. Yeah. As I don't have to tell you all everything. I don't have to tell you guys everything.
Mesh party tonight.
What?
Mesh party.
Mesh?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Oh, some place, I don't know it. I should be able to still. That's very good certain places. No. But I don't know some ghetto or weird. I'm not sure how weird, but they said some mesh freaky party at one and to come with that.
Oh my god. You guys are weird. Telling me that I'm delusional. Telling me that I'm this and I'm that. And all of that. No, I'm not tired because you people calling me lying. And telling me that I'm lying and I don't know the person and stuff like that, which that is a fucking lie. That's crazy. That is crazy. That is indeed crazy. You don't have to post me. I don't give a fuck. You don't have to post me. I don't want to be posted on his page. Because who the fuck give a fuck about that? I don't give a fuck about that. I don't. No come tell me say me never get post on him page. Me never this, me never that. All of these things. Because I say the man a stalker. I'm very weird. And so much things we talk about. This is from fucking October 2021. Conversation so fucking long because we chat about enough things. I really want to say I'm delusional and I'm this and I'm that. Because I say I don't want to have anything at all to do with somebody who is overly toxic and narcissistic and a stalker. And weird. So at this point, this was somewhere else. Oh yeah, this conversation is so long ass fucking conversation. You weird cause you're arguing with yourself. I'm not arguing with myself. I'm just proving my point because I wanna come here and I tell me say I'm stressed and I tell me say I'm depressed and how me mad over man, me crazy over man, and me this and me that. No, that's never the case. That is never the case. That is never ever the case. Never. The case where I just don't want to communicate with somebody anymore, and that is that. That is it. Yeah. And no can't silence me either. You can't silence me. Can't silence me. Bertie. Remember, so not like me already, you know. Yo. What going, boss?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm good.
Where the pan?
Yeah, clean up patients because Mr. Me, I wash up patients, slippers.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I'm cool.
Oh, okay. Can I ask you a serious question?
Sure.
Sure, right?
Yeah.
Which person come off really stalkish in my life? Stalkish, yes, stalkish. Which person for years that I could hardly get rid of? Like no matter whatever I do, they just can't seem to disappear. Con, right?
Yeah.
POPCAAN, right? Okay. And he really does come off stalkish, right? You remember the day when time he stopped with Portland and he did act like he want to do me something? What him do? Drive down the car, right? He drove down the car with him basically drive down the car with the entourage, basically. Because where were we going at that point? We were going to beach or something like that?
No.
We did go pork place, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And him sit the car and make people run down the car. Yeah. Yeah. 4 years. 4 years. Yeah. When him see me at Portland, when him said to me say, when him said to we say, him a go St. Thomas go beach and me for come. And me tell him to me I drive behind him, right? One time in this we never tell ourselves to come a beach with him like in the one we for just come, jump and come with him.
What, dear?
How what happen?
I'm tell you was here talking to him.
Oh, you never did it for true.
I use the bathroom.
I did walk with. Yeah.
Never hear anything to my say, instead of make animals to go St. Thomas or phone.
Yeah, St. Thomas got some white sand beach. Exactly. 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 Same way so. Same way so. I just wanted to hear it from you about that one obsessive individual. That's it. That is it. You know what some people they do? On social media I bring me down because the boy has start me. And them come and bring me down and I talk about say I lie me I tell upon him. Then that me I tell her, Virgin. That me I tell her for years this man dey for me I ride me for years. All because me say the mother start me. People them go come and I say, oh say, me is lying and me is this and me is that. And all of these things. You want to see the crusty girl them where they play here. Them would want to fuck him, you know, and can't fuck him. I know say you're busy still, I just did that bother you. I go come your side one of them day, yeah? Eh? Where is that? So you go work tomorrow?
No, me I call my father. No, come back to this now.
Your father stress you out?
No, I'm going to my father. I don't know when I'm coming back. Marvia.
Okay.
Hi.
So you're leaving to go there, why you're not coming back?
May I go there, I don't know when she may come back because I can spend sunshine.
So you're not working anymore?
Yeah. Marvia.
Okay. Alright. Anyways, later.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, later. I keep on and tell me say my friend this and my friend that. You know, sister, no hateful and no disgusting. My friend I go through her stress and her problem them, and the girl say it out her mouth, Popcorn is a stalker in my life. She never hide it. She did not hide the fact that the man is a stalker in my life. My friend of 15 years, we used to cuss some out of nasty, so-called Riverton looking creature, looking Lord of the Ring bitches for me. Yeah. Because that is my friend for 15 years. My friend. We're not going to ever lead me on the wrong path. And she was there the day when time him stop and not go on with whatever. And she have been here and know because of she, me I forgot to with certain things. You can't tell me say my friend not like me because you not like me. I want a big pussy girl. I want to come from. You know, say you're insecure and dirty and nasty and stink. That come talk about. I come with all sorts of conspiracies. Me not have no reason for bring down the blood clot public figure. That me I tell you no. Some boy feel lift up. That me I tell you no. Not no reason for lie upon nobody and bring down nobody. I own delusional. When I tell me say me delusional, only delusional because me is a black woman and a black man I start me, you know, feel like say me have a reason for tell a lie. Because when I find it hard, see a woman like me can't get a man to start me. And dep on me so. Now go tell me say me I try to draw my friend in a things and me this and me that. My friend probably knows say me dep on live and been say what she say. Because my friend is not a social media person. She's a low-key person. And she can't say that because it is true. If me go to police station, police is not going to do anything at all about it. So I take it to the media. They can't blame me. I don't want me to waste my time go up a police station for. But I go up there. I just don't want this man to keep on attack me and dep on me. That is it. And nothing more. I mean, I have nothing more to say about this. Stop come on my page and mention the man's name. It's over and done with. One of favorite is a stalker. I mean, I go back a courthouse, go find a blood clot restraining order because we can't deal with that. First of all, I can't do it. Now come tell me, say me mad over him, and me this and me that and me this and me that. I the only blood clot man that come off as a nuisance in my life. The only man. Me never talk to a man who was so annoying and coming like leeches. And no matter how I try, I can't get rid of him and I can't promise you this. You see, if this blow off, you probably will text me back. Because this probably turn him on some more and say, yeah, she care about me, you know, she want me some more. I saw him think. And one time me and him cause he come like say we draw closer some more. I don't like them kind of something there. And no can't tell me, say, I lie me, I tell him me I want fuck on them something. They no fucking dumb or what?